Over in the Jungle, a Rainforest Rhyme by Marianne Berkes, illustrated by Jeanette Canyon. A sing-aloud. Over in the jungle where the trees greet the sun, lived a mother marmoset and her marmoset one. Swing, said the mother, I swing, said the one. So they swung and they hung where the trees greet the sun. Over in the jungle wearing wings of shiny blue, lived a morpho butterfly and her little morphos too. Flit, said the mother, we flit, said the two. So they flitted and they fluttered wearing wings of shiny blue. Over in the jungle on a leafy canopy, lived a noisy mother parrot and her little parrots three. Squawk, said the mother, we squawk, said the three. So they squawked and they walked on the leafy canopy. Over in the jungle on a rainforest floor, lived a leaf cutter ant and her little ants four. Scurry, said the mother, we scurry, said the four. So they scurried and they hurried on a rainforest floor. Over in the jungle near a big beehive, lived a mother honey bear and her little honeys five. Scramble, said the mother, we scramble, said the five. So they scrambled and they rambled toward a big beehive. Over in the jungle, curled around some mossy sticks, lived a long mother boa and her little boa six. Squeeze, said the mother, we squeeze, said the six. So they squeezed and were pleased, curled around some mossy sticks. Over in the jungle in bromeliad heaven lived a poison dart frog and her little froggy seven. Hop, said the mother, we hop, said the seven. So they hopped and they plopped in bromeliad heaven. Over in the jungle where she knew how to wait, lived the mother ocelot and her ocelots eight. Pounce, said the mother, we pounce, said the eight. So they pounced and they bounced and they learned how to wait. Over in the jungle hanging from a heavy vine, lived a super slow sloth and her little sloths nine. Creep, said the mother, we creep, said the nine. So they crept, then they slept, hanging from a heavy vine. Over in the jungle in their rainforest den, lived a father howler monkey and his little howlers 10. Hoot, said the father, we hoot, said the 10. So they hooted and they hollered in their rainforest den. Over in the jungle, come on, let's take a peek. In the busy rainforest they are playing hide and seek. Find us, say the children, from 10 to 1. When you find all the creatures, then this rhyme is done.